Hey everybody, welcome to Recipe Cinema, where you will find a video collection of all my favorite recipes. In this video, I will be making a rich and delicious strawberry banana pie. To get started, you will need the following ingredients. For a full list and their measurements, check out the description below. To make the crust, I am just crushing up one package of pecan sandies. You can do this either using a food processor or a rolling pin. For a simpler version, you can even just get a store-bought, ready-to-use graham cracker crust. It works just as well. Next, I'm just taking a 1/4 cup of softened butter and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar along with the crumb mixture, and I'm just going to stir everything together with a fork or a pastry cutter, if you have one, until everything is mixed well. Once all of the crumb mixture is evenly moistened, I am going to press it all into a 9-inch pie plate, making sure to cover the sides and the bottom as evenly as possible. Once I am done with that, I am going to bake the pie crust in a 350-degree oven for approximately 11 minutes and then allow it to cool while I make the pie filling. To make the pie filling, I am going to need about 1 cup of strawberry puree. This can be achieved by using approximately half of a quart-sized container or a ½ pound of strawberries. It does not need to be measured perfectly, close enough will do. I am going to start off by giving the strawberries a quick spin in my food processor. You can also do this with a blender if you do not have a food processor. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk, and then I'm going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream. And this is all going to go right into the food processor. Now I am going to add a ½ cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a teaspoon of vanilla all into the food processor, and then give it a good blend until everything is mixed well and pureed. The next step is to heat the strawberry mixture over a low to medium heat. It is important to stir frequently so that the mixture does not stick or burn to the bottom. This part will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes for the mixture to start to thicken. You will know it's ready when it begins to have a texture similar to a soft set pudding. I am going to allow the strawberry pudding to cool slightly while I begin the next step. Now it is time to slice up a banana about a ½ inch thick and line the top of the pie crust, and then fill the pie with the strawberry filling. It will need to be covered with plastic wrap so that the plastic wrap is actually touching the pudding. This will prevent any skin from forming. It will need to be refrigerated for at least 8 hours or overnight before serving. In the meantime, I am going to prepare the whipped cream topping so that once the pie is done setting, everything is ready to go. Pre-chill a metal bowl and beaters ahead of time. Then add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Beat on high speed. This will take a little while, so it is best to save your arms some work and use either a hand mixer or a heavy-duty KitchenAid mixer instead of a hand whisk. Also, it is really important to keep everything cool when you're working with whipping cream. That is one of the reasons why the bowl and beaters work best if they are pre-chilled in a freezer for at least 15 minutes. It is easy to tell when it is done. It will be stiff and look just like a dairy whip topping. Once the pie is completely chilled and set, do not hesitate to rush immediately over to your refrigerator to have a taste of this delicious pie. All you need to do now is simply cut a slice, add some whipped topping, and some more strawberries and bananas if you'd like, and enjoy. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're interested in weekly recipes. Thank you so much for watching.